the most youngest leaf in the this part, no? These two, I think it is most youngest new one. This is the apical part of the plant. Apical मतलब सबसे ऊपर है, ठीक है, प्लांट का सबसे ऊपर का पार्ट. और at the tip of the root, what I am telling, at the tip of the shoot माने stem. स्टेम के ऊपर का जो टिप होगा, that tip is known as apical tip. Okay, apical tip. And again you can get the apical root part at the lower part of the root. That is apical root. And in the upside you are getting apical tip. Both you are getting tip in the this part also, and you will get tip in the last part also of the root. Okay. Now here I am going to show you three types of this simple permanent tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, and mesenchyma. Where actually these three tissues can be found in the plant body. Now look. First to try to understand, I can make you one clear thing. Is this plant is shaking? क्या हिल रहा है ये plant?
Yes sir.
Is it moving or not?
Yes sir.
When any plant body part, when the part of any plant body, if that is getting flexible or if that is getting elastic, elasticity है बोल के हिल रहा है भाई. देखो आम के पेड़ को ऐसे रख के इजीली उसका ट्रंक को तुम लोग हिला नहीं पाओगे. But those part of the plant which is flexible and elastic, move कर रहा है भाई. ये देखो टूट नहीं रहा है, हिल रहा है. This elasticity is provided by your collenchyma tissue. First make it clear. Collenchyma is such a special tissue that supports that supply what elasticity or flexibility. एक प्लांट फ्लेक्सिबल है, उसका पार्ट कोई मूव कर रहा है, सैक हो रहा है, हिल रहा है भाई, बिकॉज ऑफ व्हाट? Collenchyma. Maximum collenchyma is such a special tissue that always gives the elasticity and flexibility to the plant body part. ठीक है, हमारे बॉडी में collenchyma नहीं, because we are talking about the plant tissue. And here is sclerenchyma. If you nicely notice this one, look, this is one of the branch of the drumstick. The drumstick है, ये drumstick का एक branch है, मैंने देखो. Okay, this branch is now not green in color. लेकिन जब ये बन रहा था किस कलर का था? Now when the plant will changes its color, when any part of the plant body that it changes its color from greenish to brownish, brown change में हो रहा है, grey में change हो रहा है. Now it is not exactly green. Look, when here is no any more chlorophyll, it is looking like dead only. Okay, it is not coloring green in color. That means now it is exactly, we can't say here is the living cell. Now what type of cell is here? Dead cell. Dead cell, the cell of the sclerenchyma always dead. तो ऐसा जो बॉडी पार्ट्स मिलेगा भाई तुम लोग को जहां पे कलर ग्रीन नहीं दिखाई पड़ रहा है, लेकिन उसके पहले वो किस कलर में था? ग्रीन. बाद में चेंज हो रहा है भाई. When it was green in color, it can be parenchyma, it can be collenchyma. तो ये जो अभी मैं लीफ का पार्ट दिखाऊंगा तुम लोगों को, इज इट लुकिंग ग्रीन?
Yes sir.
तो ये ग्रीन पार्ट में या तो तुमको मिलेगा parenchyma or you will get what? But when that particular part will also change, actually leaf will not change the color, but your branch can change or not? Your stem can change the color or not?
Yes,
when
sir.
any branch or stem will change their color from green to this brown color or grey color, this is going to change into what? That means in the starting of the life of every plant body, their life started from actually parenchyma or later on some special part of the plant body that can be changed into
Sclerenchyma.
Now this is a leaf. Okay, it can be the stem, it can be the branch, whatever it can be. Now see here, just I am showing you one. This is the leaf. It has a compound leaf stage. इसको compound leaf बोलते हैं हम लोग, बाद में समझाऊंगा when I will talk telling you about the compound leaf. This is the leaf. और ये leaf का देखो यहाँ पे इसके साथ में leaf यहाँ पे सटा हुआ है. Yes, this part. This is called leaf petiole. What?
Leaf petiole.
अगर ये branch है तो branch का ये part इस stem से सटा हुआ है. This is called branch petiole. Branch petiole, yes, यहाँ से निकला. Branch petiole से branch निकला. फिर ब्रांच से तुम्हारे यहाँ पे लीफ निकला है, ये लीफ का क्या हो गया? पेटियोल. At the branch petiole, at the leaf petiole, branch petiole and leaf petiole, you will get especially what? Collenchyma. And in this leaf part, अब leaf आ गया, leaf तुम्हारा होगा कौन सा टिश्यू से? That means leaf, this petiolar part, now this एक छोटा सा एक हम लोगों ने एक स्पेसिमेन लाया था, इसमें हम लोगों ने क्या पाया? We have seen all three types of permanent tissue. And if this plant is shaking, that is because of what? लेकिन ये प्लांट का जो हार्ड पार्ट है, ये पार्ट नहीं शेक हो रहा, देखिए ये पार्ट शेक नहीं हो रहा. If little bit it is flexible, okay, it can be, but it is not shaking like this leaf part. No, then this strength or power has been provided by this. अगर एक प्लांट बॉडी के पार्ट स्ट्रेंथ है, थोड़ा बहुत फ्लेक्सिबल एंड मोर और लेस इट इज वेरी रिजिड एंड हार्ड, that is because of flexibility will be provided by parenchyma. As it is green in color, it can prepare its own food. It can prepare on food. That means if a plant body part, if that is preparing food, then that is because of what? तो parenchyma का फंक्शन होगा क्लोरोफिल के प्रेजेंस के कारण फूड का फॉर्मेशन करेगा एंड इट विल स्टोर द फूड. Storage of food and the manufacture of food, whose function? Parenchyma will provide what? Flexibility. And parenchyma will give what? Strength, power. What? इसको सीधा खड़ा होना है भाई. ताकत चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? कौन प्रोवाइड करेगा? But every time first parenchyma will form, then